6 things to do in your 20s. Number 1. Invest in self-discovery. Take the time to explore your interests, passions, and values. Try new hobbies, engage in self-reflection, and discover what brings you joy and fulfillment. This self-discovery process will help shape your identity and guide your decisions in the years to come. Number 2. Focus on personal and professional development. Use your 20s as a time to invest in your personal and professional growth. Pursue higher education, attend workshops or seminars, seek mentorship, and develop new skills. Building a strong foundation of knowledge and expertise early on can set you up for success in your career. Number.3. Build a strong support network. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Cultivate meaningful friendships and seek out mentors who can provide guidance and support. Building a strong support network can provide a sense of belonging and help you navigate the challenges that come with this stage of life. Number.4. Travel and embrace new experiences. Your 20s are a great time to explore the world and expose yourself to different cultures and perspectives. Traveling allows you to broaden your horizons, develop empathy, and gain a deeper understanding of the world. Embrace new experiences. Step out of your comfort zone. Number 5. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Prioritize your health and well-being. Adopt healthy lifestyle habits, such as exercising regularly, eating nutritious food, and getting enough sleep. Take care of your mental health by practicing self-care, seeking support when needed, and developing healthy coping mechanisms. Number 6. Create a budget, save money, and learn about investing and long-term financial planning. Developing financial literacy and discipline in your 20s can set the stage for financial security and independence in the future.